The Magic Bullet blender has become an indispensable tool in my kitchen, revolutionizing the way I approach meal preparation and beverage crafting. Its compact size and powerful performance make it a must-have for anyone seeking convenience without sacrificing quality. One of the standout features of the Magic Bullet is its versatility. Equipped with a range of different blade attachments, this blender effortlessly tackles a variety of tasks, from blending smoothies to grinding spices. Whether you're whipping up a nutritious breakfast smoothie or preparing ingredients for a gourmet meal, the Magic Bullet has you covered. Furthermore, the simplicity of operation is a major selling point. With its straightforward design and intuitive controls, even novice users can achieve professional quality results with ease. The single-speed setting ensures consistent blending every time, while the pulse function allows for precise control over texture and consistency. The Magic Bullet's compact size is another advantage, making it ideal for small kitchens or on-the-go use. Its sleek design takes up minimal counter space, while the included cups and lids allow for seamless blending and convenient storage. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie before heading out the door or preparing a nutritious snack for later, the Magic Bullet is always ready to go. While the Magic Bullet excels at blending and chopping, it may struggle with more demanding tasks such as crushing ice or blending tough ingredients. Additionally, the plastic construction of the blender cups may not be as durable as glass alternatives, particularly when subjected to high temperatures or heavy use. In summary, the Magic Bullet blender is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance that delivers impressive performance in a compact package. While it may have its limitations, its ease of use, versatility, and space-saving design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a busy professional or a culinary enthusiast, the Magic Bullet is sure to add a touch of magic to your culinary creations.